Hello, Paul Attu here, Sales Director for Watkiss Automation. I'd like to talk to you today about the new development from Watkiss, which is nearline finishing for digital print. What we've done is added a high pile sheet feeder to the PowerSquare 200 bookletmaker and a high capacity book stacker. So this is the PowerSquare sheet feeder. It's a 2-bay sheet feeder, high capacity at the bottom, up to 500 millimeters of paper, and a smaller capacity at the top where we could have covers or shorter runs of book work. Loading the sheet feeder couldn't be easier. You just push in the buggy to the stop, press the 2 buttons, the back lay will come forward, giving you something to push the stack against. You can hear the air coming on, which will float the pile. I simply push the pile into the corner and the stacker is ready to run. The top stack is a drawer. You simply pull out the drawer, adjusting for size. Couldn't be simpler. Just pull these 2 clips and adjust to size. You can either use the top drawer for feeding the cover of the book, as we are here, or in fact for shorter run book runs. Connecting the PowerSquare sheet feeder to the PowerSquare, we have the connecting bridge. This bridge conveys the paper from one device to the other and features a rotator. That means that I can run the sheet long edge first at the highest possible speed. I can achieve speeds up to 12,000 sheets per hour. PowerSquare 200 bookletmaker. Using this device, we can make booklets from 2 sheets right up to 200 sheets, and we feature the unique Watkiss square back finish. That gives the book the appearance of a perfect bound book with the security of a wire stitch. So the paper's been rotated now, we can assemble it in the gathering area and make a book. So 1 sheet at a time, it's built up into the receiver and then conveyed under the stitcher, finally formed and square backed and then ejected into the high capacity stacker. The book stacker will stack all sizes of book that we can process in the PowerSquare, but without operator intervention to change sizes. Because of this long conveyor and the way we stack the books on the square edge, we can run for up to an hour without unloading it. That means you can go off into the shop and do something else. The graphic user interface controls the PowerSquare feeder. You can see here that we've got 1 sheet coming from the top and 30 from the bottom, the top sheet being the cover. Setup is simply a case of dialing in what you request. For safety, we have doubles detection on each station, and we feature an OMR reader as standard.